Ever wonder what's really in your gas tank? It's not just fuel, it's ancient sunlight, captured by plankton and algae millions of years ago. Over eons, their remains were buried, compressed, and heated, transforming into crude oil, a time capsule of energy. When you fill up, you're pouring the power of prehistoric life into your car. But the journey doesn't start at the pump. It begins deep underground and ends at the oil refinery. Refineries are massive, high-tech sorting machines, breaking down crude oil's chaotic mix of hydrocarbons. These molecules, chains of hydrogen and carbon, come in all shapes and sizes. The refinery's job? Separate and transform them into the fuels and materials we rely on. Imagine a landscape of pipes, towers, and furnaces, all working to unlock the secrets of ancient life. This is where black sludge becomes the clean energy that powers our world. The process connects Earth's distant past to our modern future. So how do we turn primordial ooze into the products that shape our lives? Let's step inside and see how science and engineering make it possible. The story of oil is a story of transformation, of energy, chemistry, and human ingenuity. Welcome to the heart of the refinery. The refinery's heart is the distillation column, a skyscraper filled with trays, not offices. Crude oil is heated to over 400 degrees Celsius, vaporizing it into a hot gas. This vapor rises through the tower, cooling as it goes. Heavy molecules like asphalt condense near the bottom. Lighter ones like gasoline rise higher before condensing. Each tray collects a different fraction of oil, sorted by boiling point. Diesel and jet fuel condense at middle levels, while the lightest products, gasoline and LPG, reach the top. What started as a messy black liquid is now neatly separated into useful layers. This elegant process uses nothing but heat and physics to sort molecules. The distillation tower is the refinery's great sorter, setting the stage for everything that follows. It's the first step in transforming crude oil into the fuels and materials we depend on. From here, the real chemistry begins. Distillation sorts crude oil, but it doesn't give us enough of the products we need, especially gasoline. Enter cracking, where heavy molecules are broken into lighter, more valuable ones. Thermal cracking uses intense heat and pressure to snap long hydrocarbon chains apart. Catalytic cracking uses special minerals to speed up the process, making more gasoline from every barrel. But refineries don't just break molecules, they rebuild them. Processes like reforming and alkylation reshape molecules for higher performance, like boosting gasoline's octane. This chemical choreography lets refineries adjust output for market demand. More gasoline in summer, more jet fuel when needed. The refinery is a dynamic system, constantly transforming molecules to meet our needs. It's not just sorting, it's molecular engineering on a massive scale. Every barrel of oil is maximized thanks to this dance of chemistry. That's how we turn crude into the fuels that keep the world moving. Gasoline may be the star, but oil refineries produce a whole family of fuels. Diesel powers trucks, trains, and farm equipment, essential for heavy-duty work. Jet fuel, a high-quality kerosene, keeps planes flying through extreme conditions. Heating oil warms homes, while heavy fuel oils power ships and some power plants. At the lightest end, LPG, propane and butane, fuels grills, heaters, and camping stoves. Each product is tailored for a specific job, from moving goods to heating buildings. Almost every part of a barrel of oil finds a use. The refinery ensures nothing goes to waste, delivering energy for every corner of modern life. Oil's versatility is what makes it so vital to our world. Oil's story goes far beyond fuel. Petrochemicals from refineries are the building blocks of modern materials, especially plastics. From computer cases to food containers, plastics like polyethylene and PVC start as oil molecules. Synthetic rubber for tires, detergents, dyes, fertilizers, and even medicines all trace back to petrochemicals. Asphalt for roads, wax for candles, and synthetic fibers for clothing, these too begin in the refinery. The transformation from crude oil to everyday objects is a triumph of chemistry. Refineries are vast workshops supplying the raw materials for everything from toys to medical devices. Oil shapes not just how we move, but how we live, work, and play. The reach of a single barrel is astonishing. The refinery is the unseen engine behind the fabric of modern life. We've seen how ancient sunlight becomes the fuels and materials of our world. This power comes with responsibility. Burning oil releases carbon, changing our climate. Understanding oil's journey helps us make smarter choices about energy and the environment. The challenge power our world while protecting it. Can we refine more efficiently, capture carbon, or harness new energy from the sun? The universe is full of energy. Our quest is to use it wisely. What other marvels of science and engineering do you want to explore? Let us know in the comments. Keep looking up. The journey of discovery continues.